If I'm going to prove this one by side angle side, again, I have a side, I have an angle, but now which sides need to be congruent in order to prove this?
E and G and B and X.
Well, now if I do E and G, that would be side, side, angle.
E, F, X, W. Where do you see the X?
Do we need another angle though? No, so because we don't need another angle, I'm just going to scribble out all the angle stuff. Which is funny because if you scribble out all the angle stuff, what does it say? FG needs to be congruent to WX. Would that work?
Yes.
Yeah. Why would that work? I heard a couple people blurt out VX and EG. How come that doesn't work?
Excuse the interruption. Middle and high schools